Hello again. You've seen in the previous module that you can start to introduce direct messaging to your marketing effort. And we've explored how SMS can be foundational for your marketing communication. Now, if you're a brand that has a website and also a mobile application, you have a very critical engagement channel that is unlocked for you. Push notifications is essential for any brand that has a mobile application in place. Let's see how we can leverage a push notification engagement channel similar to the SMS. When we hover in the push notification module and convert it in, you start with creating campaign. Similar to the SMS or any direct messaging campaign, you start with bulk, segmented, or personalized automated flows. Let's take these three different use cases. For one, let's go for one-time campaign. So in Converted In, you will find multiple templates that has been employed by most of the e-commerce and happen to be the most used templates in the e-commerce industry. For example, I'd like to make a sales and discount. So let's take the 24-hour flash sale template. When you click Use Template, you'll have the campaign name, the notification title, which will be the tagline of your notification, and then the main message of your campaign. Similar to the SMS module, you can customize the push notification with the name or with the call to action dynamically. And we'll see this once we go through the personalized one-to-one push notification. And then you can upload your logo, and then you can specify specific customer segment. Also, one of the most important features is how you can start to make scheduling for your push notifications. So you can plan all the communication that will happen through the mobile application. So for example, here, I would like to schedule this campaign to run 12 p.m. and on this time zone for this specific date. I can choose whether it's an iOS, Android, or both, and then hit launch, and the push notification will be dispersed through the devices for the users that have installed your mobile application. However, it's very important to ask a question. What is the cost of push notifications? Most of the people will say zero. That's why most of the brands are actually abusing it, and they're sending tremendous amount of push notifications without any meaningful value for the user. So the cost here is the user turning off your push notification. So you lose very valuable engagement channel that you can interact with your user, but if you fail to bring meaningful value, they will most probably turn it off. Two lessons are learned from this. One, not to abuse your push notification channel. Second, to send meaningful value for your users so that they are waiting for this push notification and they know that they will get something out of this message, not just any random message that is not targeted and personalized for them. As we've seen, these problems, in order to avoid, you need to start personalize your messages. So let's see how to set automated flows to personalize the engagement with the user so that when the user makes specific action, they're triggered with a specific push notification just for them. In this case, we'll go through the push notifications, creating campaign in an automated flow. So we'd like to recover the users who have added to the cart specific item through push notification. Exactly like the SMS, you start with when is the flow triggered and when it stops. And then you specify when this flow is triggered by the time window. For example, I'd like to send the push notifications after 10 minutes, and the notification title would be anything like, your cart misses you, don't forget what's in your cart, and then in the message, I can write down the customer name so it's more personalized with the name. Let's face it, everyone loves to see their name or to be called with their name. So for example, hey Jack, it looks like you left something behind. No worries, we saved it for you, and I can inject the cart URL specifically for each user. Now, once you hit launch, Converted In will trigger the abandoned cart push notification for any user who adds to the cart any product, and then within the time window, the automation trigger. So imagine this, you have a salesman that is working for you 24/7, 7 days a week, just looking after anyone who exhibits certain interaction or certain behavior in your website, and they just interact with them on spot. So as you've seen, SMS or push notification, they're very effective communication channel because first of all, it allows you to engage with the user through non-traditional engagement methods such as the social media and search engine. Also, it's very personalized because you can leverage the person name, the call to action with a specific URL, and so on. And also, it's cheap to implement without having to pay a lot of money that varies from time to time and from social channel to another. And lastly, it's highly penetratable and most of the people actually receive the push notification or SMS on average. This will leave us to the third and last communication method through the direct messaging, which is the email. And we'll explore this in the next video.